Hey there, this is Dr. Pan recording from Tucson, Arizona. Hope life is treating you well, and thank you for watching this evaluate infinite integral here. What we need to do here is actually integration by parts, not once, but twice. It's a little tedious, but it's not too bad. The trick of doing integration by parts is keep your notes really clean. Otherwise, it's really easy to make a mistake. What I had done here is I substitute u equal to natural log of x to the squares and using chain rule taking derivative. And then what I left here, then dv is x cubed dx. And then v is equal to x to the fourth divided by 4. Okay, now by parts says it's uv, which is x to the fourth divided by 4 times natural log of x of squared minus v du. Let's plug everything in there. X to the fourth times 4 du 2 natural log of x 1 over x dx. Oh boy, it's a messy thing. Now on the test, I encourage my students to put an error here so that you don't waste time keep on writing it. Number one, you may make a mistake. Number two, it takes forever. All right, so we have a half over here. This one cancels, it's x to the third natural log of x dx. So basically, from the first line to the second line here, we took power of natural log of 1. All right, I would do the same thing. U equal to natural log of x, then du equal to 1 over x dx. That's one thing good about natural log. It's 1 over x, and it takes the x of the power off. Okay, so dv here, then x to the third dx. V is x to the fourth over 4. Okay, so one more time. Equal to, this one still stays, minus half. Let's put a big bracket there so we don't forget anything. uv here is x to the fourth over 4 natural log of x minus v du. Let's put it in there. X to the fourth over 4 times v du is 1 over x dx. Okay, that looks reasonable. We can pretty much handle it. So let's say this one doesn't change. X to the fourth over 4 natural log of x minus, let's see what we have here, 1/4. This one cancels, so it's x to the third, and then it's x to the fourth over 4 again. All right, now let's put everything together. This original term was x to the 4 over 4 natural log x of squared minus, let's see, we have a 1/8 x to the fourth natural log of x. Let's get our ducks in line. This is 16 times 2 is 32 x to the fourth. Okay, one more line and then we're done. Let's pull the common things out. This one is 32, so let's pull the 1 over 32 out. X to the fourth. Let's see what we have left over here. We'll have 8 natural log of x, this whole thing squared, minus 4 times natural log of x, minus, is it a minus? This is actually a plus. Plus 1. Okay, so that's the final answer. X to the fourth, and then 8, and this is a 4, and this is a plus 1. Now, to make this math a little easier, let's have a little math break. My husband is really into tweeters. Okay, so this a New York Times columnist. Anyway, there's an interesting section here. It said, finish a familiar scene in a new way. One of my favorite things is here. Cleanness is next to impossible. A penny for your thoughts. $5 if you keep them to yourself. That was one of my favorite. I am a shoe collector, so if the shoe fits, buy 2. I like that one. All right, back to math. So for this type of problem, what's really interesting, or not hard, you just have to keep track when you do the integration by parts. Make sure you leave enough space so you can gather and make sure everything is clean and clear. All right, once again from Tucson, Arizona, this is Dr. Pan, making learning math fun. At least trying to. If the video has been helpful, I would appreciate a comment or a thumb up. Until next time, have a confident day.